Morning all. Now today I'm not working, I'm boating. So we're off to Henley. Hurley, isn't it, Paul?
Hurley.
So here we are at a secret location. It's probably not that secret. In Hurley, near Henley. We're going to put the boat in the water. So we're on the water. Getting the boat in the water was a bit of a palaver, and it had to be done with considerable concentration. But I'm now free to make or continue my video. We're not alone on the river. In fact, Henley Regatta is on. So we're going to see if we can take a little peek at that. It's a nice day for it. Blue sky. Your own mini river facing castle. Well, now that's very grand, isn't it? Some sort of weir. Danger, keep away. A swan and her cygnets. So the engine's coming up out of the water. And we're chucking up water. And there we are, back on dry land. That's my day out on a boat.